Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Code Crush. Today's video we discuss about the repository. What is repository? But first, we have implemented domain class and TTO class in our previous videos. Go through that and come here to understand what is repository. What is repository class? A repository class which connects our DB with the application. It acts as a bridge between the application and database. DB application, the repository layer is a bridge. In for account underscore table, we'll create one repository class. How we are gonna create repository class? What are the operations? CRUD operations. CRUD. Create, read, update, delete. We call them as. What is create? Create means post. Read means get. Update means put. Delete means delete. These are the operations we have. We need to create a repository class, something like you can create like account repository under the repository package. We have to select interface for creating a repository. This is how we create a simple repository class. If you want to add some JPA in it, you can use native queries, you can use JPQL queries, you can use JPA queries. But in our Spring Boot, the JPA is more suitable and we write less code when we use JPA. So we are using here JPA instead of writing native queries. But native queries are more effective when the query is too long. We still prefer native queries over JPA for longer operations. Let's go and implement about the JPA extends JPA repository account long list account. You can now let's add something like find all. It's throwing an exception. What is the exception? Let's go here and add something like not null, so it will work. And then let's add list account find by username, find by first name, find by last name. You can create something like that. So here you can take that and string first name. Optional, let's import optional account find by email, string email. Here we don't need that. We'll delete that one and we can go create some of the repository class like account custom repository. So in that we can add something queries like that. This is how we create repository classes and we implemented this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.